Good evening, everybody. This is Mr. Widhelm, your biology teacher, and I am going to make a little video on how to access your OneNote classroom notebook. Here we go. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser. So go to Chrome, go to enter in office.com. Probably will pop up right away. Just hit return. And you're going to see an array of options here. If you're not signed into Office, it will prompt you to do so. You might have to get your cell phone out and get a code, but enter that in. And then what you're going to do is click on OneNote. And when you get to OneNote, you're going to have four options up here. You're going to go to Class Notebooks. Then you're going to click on the notebook that corresponds to your class. So I'm just going to do this example with Biology A1. Click on the notebook. And you're all set. In your notebook, you're going to see off to the left-hand side here, collaboration space, content library, and then probably your name. I have all of the names of my students in their notebooks here, but the main tab you're going to be interested in is Content Library, so click that, and then you will have daily schedule, notes, and assignments to choose from. The daily schedule is going to be day by day, a schedule of what we did in class. So if you click on the 28th, which is tomorrow, everything that we're doing on this day will be there. There's also a notes section, which is going to contain all of the notes that we use for the class. And there's an assignments section, which will contain a digital copy of the assignments that I give to you, but I'll also still be giving you a hard copy. So that's it for today's lesson. Hope you all have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.